Z-Axis is an electronics manufacturer that provides entry-level employees with opportunities to advance and experienced workers with careers that keep building their skills. Entry-level employees include part preppers who prepare through-hole components for manual assembly, and board stuffers who precisely place through-hole components by hand. There's also cable assemblers who cut and strip wires, crimp cables, and produce complete cable assemblies. It takes a steady hand, a sharp eye, and a commitment to a job well done. Box builders and system assemblers also have a key role to play. They install sub-assemblies and other components, route wires and cables for harnesses, and assemble enclosures. Entry-level workers who build their skills can advance their careers and discover new opportunities. There's a variety of advanced positions at Z-Axis, and the right fit combines interest with aptitude. For example, some employees learn to perform surface mount, through-hole, or hand soldering. Inspecting solder joints for quality is a part of the job. In addition, there are SMT operators who monitor, maintain, and run our surface mount equipment for pick-and-place assembly. You don't have to be an engineer, but it does take engineering aptitude. Z-Axis also values its AOI operators. These are skilled workers who run automated optical inspection machines for examining PCB assemblies on the SMT line. Technicians who test circuit boards and assemblies also have an important role. So do line leaders. These are team members who work alongside the employees that they mentor. Advanced positions include quality control inspectors, shippers, and receivers. QC inspects the quality of incoming and outgoing products. Shippers and receivers coordinate the movement of goods into our facility. At Z-Axis, working in electronics manufacturing is more than just a job. It's a career opportunity at a growing company with a bright future.